Hello, good morning to all. In this corona pandemic situation, we are facing many difficulties and our classes are being stopped because of this. So, we have planned to start online classes and I am hoping that you all are well and healthy in your home. So, before starting class, I would like to introduce about instructions for online classes. So in the screen you are seeing the instruction. So I am reading and describing the instruction. So first you have to do the download. First you have to download the books or respective chapters. So your Odia book is fully available. Okay, we have given in your copy, and all other books are those are present in chapters. So we are providing one by one chapter. So before coming to school class, you read the chapter. Whatever chapter we are going to teach, you have to read. Next is, all teachers will provide you study material. Study material in the form of PDF, photo, audio or video. Like today I am going to present in video classes and also giving PDF. Okay, so you have to download all these in the respective classes. In the same class you have to download and you have to go through this, so that if you have any doubt you can ask us on the same day. So respective timetables have been given. Next is, follow the instructions provided by each subject teacher and complete the homework as per time schedule. So whatever instructions your subject teacher is giving, you have to follow and you have to complete the homework. Whenever teacher is telling that you have to submit this homework like on this day, you have to submit on that day only. So you have, like, if as example, for example, today I am teaching you, going to teach, then today I will give you homework. So if I am telling you to submit on Monday, next Monday you have to submit on the next Monday. So be cautious. Next is, you can ask your doubt to the concerned subject teacher personally. So here this WhatsApp group is restricted to only admins. Only admins can message here or give anything, but you can't message here or you can't ask your doubt in this group. So you can ask to us in our personal number. Our personal number, WhatsApp number of each subject teacher has been provided in your timetable, and timetable is already I have uploaded. So you download that timetable, you save the number, and please, when you are asking something, please mention your name and you ask your doubt. Let's start today's class. So today's chapter is chapter number 1, integers. You have already studied about integers in class 6. So we'll discuss what are integers. So integers are what? A whole number from 0 to positive or negative infinity is called integers. So integers include 0, positive natural numbers and negative natural numbers. It is denoted by letter Z. You are already knowing what are positive natural numbers. Positive natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. till infinity. Then negative integers numbers are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -11, -13. All these are negative natural numbers. It is denoted by letter Z. Next also integers on number line. So where is the integers on number line? on the, you have already known the number line where we are will represent the numbers in a line, that is number line. So number line, for positive integers we move to the right from 0, and for negative integers we move to the left of the 0. So this is the line. Here in middle 0 is there, so 0 is neither positive nor negative, and the negative integers are on the left of the 0. Here from left of the 0 is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and it will go till infinity. So these are negative integers which are present on the left side of the 0. Then positive integers are present on the right side of the 0. So from the right side you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or any positive integers or any positive natural number, those are put on the right side of the 0. So all these are about integers and integers on the number line. Next we'll go to facts. What are the facts? So here we'll do what? Addition of integers and subtraction of integers with the help of number line. So number one fact is this one. Number one fact is that if we add a positive integer, we go to the right. So here first is we have first number is 2 plus 4 equal to 6. We are already knowing 2 plus 4 equal to 6. So first we will point out or circle the number 2. So this is 2. So 2 plus here 4. 2 plus 4. So plus 4. So we will move on the right side of the 0. Right side of the 0. So where we have to go to right when we are adding. So we will go to right one by one. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So we have moved 4 number from 2. So what we get? Number 6. So answer is what? 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Next we will see the second example, -2 plus 4. So again we will do by the same way. So first we will point out the first number, -2. -2 is here. Okay. So we are adding the positive integer. So we have to go to right. So we'll move right. 4. We'll move right. 4 right. 1, 2, 3, then 4. So what you are getting? Number 2. So your answer is what? -2 plus 4 equal to 2. Okay. So this is what conclusion we get. If we add a positive integer, we will go to right. Next, number 2 fact is, if we add a negative integer, we go to the left. So here we are adding -4, -4. So first one is 2 plus -4 equal to how much? First we will go to first number 2. First we will circle number 2. Then what it is giving? When we are adding a negative integer, we are going to the left. So we are moving left. So how much we will move? 4 number. 4 times we will move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times we have moved. First, second, third, fourth. So 4 number we have moved to the left. So this is, we are moving like this here. So what we have got? The answer is -2. Okay. Next is what? -2 plus -4. So first point out -2. Where is -2? Here is -2. Then move to left. We'll move to left like this. We'll move to left. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we got? Minus 6. So answer is what? Minus 2 plus minus 4 equal to minus. Okay. Now third fact. Third fact is what? If we subtract a positive integer, we go to the left. Now comes subtraction. So when we are subtracting positive integer, okay, so positive integer minus 4 minus 3. So 3 is what? Positive integer we are subtracting. So where we'll go? We'll go to left. So left is which side? This side. So first we'll circle minus 4. So where is minus 4? This one is minus 4. Then we'll go to move to 3. 1, 2, 3. We have moved 3 to the left. So what we'll get? We get the answer minus 7. So answer is minus 7. Minus 4 minus 3 equal to minus 7. So we have added positive integer and we move to left. Next, if we subtract a negative integer, we go to the right. When we are subtracting negative integer, we will go to right. So here it is minus 4 minus 3. So we are adding negative integer. We have to go to right. So right is which side? Right is this side. Here minus 4 and minus 3 equal to minus 1. So here given what? So first we'll circle minus 4. So we'll subtract minus 4 with minus 3. So we are subtracting minus 3. So we'll go right to number 3. So I'll go number 3 numbers right. 1, 2, then 3. So what we got? Minus 1. So when we have subtracted minus 3 from minus 4, what we got? Minus 1. Next is the additive inverse. Additive inverse of an integer. So first we'll get to know what is additive integers. The negative of any number is the additive inverse of that number. Okay, so listen, negative of any number. So additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. Additive inverse of minus 5 is how much? 5. So negative of 5 is minus 5. Negative of minus 5 is 5. So these are what? Additive inverse. Another one is showing that, look, we will add this number and additive inverse. So this is what? Minus 5. This is the number. Okay. And its additive inverse is what? This one is additive inverse. So minus 5 is the number, its additive inverse is 5. When we add this number, what we are getting? Minus 5 plus 5, 0. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Next, another example, 14. So here another example we have taken, number is 14. 14's additive inverse of 14 is minus 14. So when we add this both 14 plus minus 14, how much you are getting? 0. So what this is showing? This is showing that, this shows that the number which we add to a number to get 0 is the additive inverse of that number. What is it saying? So what is additive inverse? When additive inverse is added to the number, we get 0. So that number is what? Additive inverse. So this is about the recall of integers, what you have studied before. Next, this is your homework. Homework is what? Exercise 1.1, and you have to write this math PDF. I have provided you the math PDF on your on the group. So you have to write the math PDF on your copy and solve by yourself. What you have to solve? You have to solve these maths what I have done in the group, what I have done in the video, what I have solved, which is not solved in the PDF. That one you have to solve by yourself and you have to see. So this one I will see by today evening. Today evening you have to submit. Today you have to submit. Evening you will submit me this homework, and this homework you have to submit on the next class. So next Monday. And what you will do? Whatever doubt according to this one and this chapter and this exercise 1.1 you will ask me in my mobile number, and I will clear your doubts. Okay. Now thank you all. Thank you very much.